Welcome to another tutorial that's going to show you how to repair USB cable perfectly with no hassle. But first, make sure you have enough concentration, as it's going to super useful. At the beginning, you need to break the upper shell of pin inside of the cable. To do it successfully, you can use wire cutting plus or anything else that can easily break the shell. When it's done, please note the wiring diagram stated in the video. If you do any mistake about wiring, the problem won't solve. Now it's time to connecting the cables according to diagram. To do it, you must need a soldering iron to join the cable properly. Connect the cable one by one, but please keep in mind safety first. After completing the connections, you should wrap the cable outer part with sealer. At the second step, it needs to break the upper shell of the pin-out cables like the step 1. However, take your time, but do it safely with no issues. If you go so early, connector can be damaged. However, let's connect all the cables one by one with the solder iron. But make sure you are placing the cable on the right place. When it's done, wrap it again with sealer for long time durability. So, all the steps are okay. Now it's time to check the USB cable working or not. To do so, plug in the cable to your mobile and see the twist. Voila, it's working perfectly. What about you? By the way, that's all we have shown you about repairing the USB cable. Hope you have enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future fixing videos.